In the early years of SB19's career, I was first drawn to Ken or Felipe Suson and then eventually to Pablo because of his amazing writing skills. But as the years went by, especially this 2026, there is this one SB19 member who is starting to grow on me, and he's none other than Josh Collins Santos. Napansin niyo rin ba the sudden glow up of the styling and look of Josh? It's like something has changed in his aura. I mean, he already looked gorgeous in the past, and he is known for wearing this different types of hair color from purple to red, and then his iconic blonde look. But this 2026, there is really something that is glowing and has changed with the aura of Josh Colin Santos. I already saw him in person in BGC after the New Year countdown, and I was immediately blown away by his charm, his charisma. So I am now a believer of why um, Josh is said to be the charismatic member of SB19, because if you will meet him in person, he's really very charming. So when I started to look up at the Wikipedia entries and articles about Josh Cullen Santos, in an interview, it was said that Josh was raised by a single mother and he never met his biological father. So, when he was young, they struggled financially. That is why it took some time before he graduated in high school. If the data is correct, or if the contents of the written entries on the internet, Wikipedia, and YouTube is right, he already started working when he was 15 years old. He first became a computer technician, and then eventually he would become a call center agent before auditioning to become a member of SB19. I believe this would explain the expressive eyes of Josh, kasi malalim pala yung pinagdaanan niya as he was growing up. And this is the reason why he is showing this very adult stance, or he is very mature when it comes to his thoughts and the way he expresses his idea, because at a very young age he already had to face a lot of challenges and also become a breadwinner, because he also had a meron din siyang sister. So in 2016 to 2018, he would audition for South Korean entertainment company Show BT. So you have to understand that as a working student, auditioning for something like Show BT is a huge risk. You either make it or you break it. Kumbaga, napakahirap na pagsabayin yung trabaho at yung pangarap. But because of the out to them yung fame nila, so they had to practice endlessly and give it their all to become really great at what they do. And eventually they got so in sync, so synchronized. Kaya makikita mo, it's really destined. And it was really this viral dance practice that would pave their way to fame. So there was a tweet, yeah, I forgot what her name is, but thank you for that tweet, because the rest was history. It started everything. So this viral dance video was so perfect. I had to replay it over and over the first time I saw it. And I even remember telling my roommate that watch out for this for these guys. They're going to be huge, not just in the Philippines, but the entire world. And so naalala ko pa nga, my roommate was saying like, sigurado ka? Parang they don't believe it yet, especially when they were first interviewed. Of course, syempre, the wardrobe. So the wardrobe of SB19 is not yet giving, but makikita mo talaga the investment of Josh Collins Santos and the members. If it's true, di ba, Filipino hip hop artists like Looney, Shanty Dope, and G-Dragon of Big Bang, and of course BTS. But it took some
So
time
many
actually
sacrifices
before
talaga.
he was able to co-create with other artists that hindi lang SB19 members yung mga kasama niya. So the first I think na na-release nila was in 2022 with independent musician cousin si Ocho The Bullet and Carrot Mayor on their track So Far Remix. So chinek ko siya and they performed on Wish Live and I was actually maganda yung kanta. I was stunned that ang ganda talaga ng harmony. You guys, you have to check it kasi it was so chill and relaxed and even calming. And dun mo makikita that Josh Cullen is already good. He can also perform well in other genres. And meron talaga siyang original voice register according to this YouTube comment. So, after that, in 2023, Josh would release his debut as a solo artist for the single Wild Tonight, which is one of my favorite Josh Collins songs actually. And dito na siya nag-start, nagpakita ng mga different flavors, concept, and styling. Yung Wild Tonight niya was really successful. It was so nicely done. Ang ganda ng concept that it even won the 37th Awit Awards Best Music Video of the year, and it soon was followed by the debut album Lost and Found, which included 9 tracks. And isa dun sa mga pinaka-memorable doon was the 1999 music video. So I love the way Josh would interject yung 90s actually sa mga gawa niya talaga. Because there's something really also about the 90s and the styles of the music video and the concept that stands out, and there's this nostalgia effect. And so yung 1999 niya na music video shows how he faced his childhood traumas because he was a victim of domestic violence, and how he outgrew those challenges, expressing his story in a music video, and how he transmuted that pain into higher creative levels of strength. Alam mo yon, ginamit niya yung pain into strength. So, the Josh that we see right now, may silent strength siya, pero he is that Josh Cullen who already overcome a lot of shadows in his life, and he never lost that spark and shine. Sa mata niya, he still has this light sa mata niya, sa heart niya, and passion. And I feel that he will really do well if he will also venture into acting. So that is a little bit of Josh Cullen for you. Thank you for watching and God bless you.